Hello from Universal Woods, parent company of Unisub and Cremeluxe brands. We make blanket products for sublimation from Louisville, Kentucky, in our 100,000 square foot facility. All of our products are made in the USA and shipped to our distributors around the world. As manufacturers, we don't sell direct, but rather we sell in bulk to our distributor partners, who are able to break case quantities, ship all over the US, provide printers, sublimation supplies, education, and much more. Condé actually carries more of our products than any other distributor, including some special products that we make exclusively for them.
We've got a lot of great products and we do a lot of great things here at Universal Woods, but we wouldn't have the success, we wouldn't be where we are today without our customers like Condé.
All the materials that we coat and sell as cut products or in sheets are flat, rigid substrates. Our coated substrates include aluminum, tempered hardboard, fiberglass reinforced plastic, also known as FRP, steel, and medium density fiberboard, also known as MDF. Some of you may be wondering about the difference between Chromaluxe and Unisub brands. Unisub was the first sublimation brand developed for photo gifts, identification, awards, personalization, and signage markets. Unisub products tend to be smaller items that can fit on small format heat presses. Products include bag tags, jewelry inserts, plaques, clocks, door hangers, keychains, magnets, coasters, ornaments, small signs, and more. Our popular Cremeluxe brand was developed sometime after we introduced Unisub to the market. The Cremeluxe coating was engineered to capture detailed images that are durable, easy to clean, and would last for years. Just like Unisub, Cremeluxe properties include excellent fade resistance. But the archival qualities and the details of the image are greater on Cremeluxe products. From small to large format items, Cremeluxe products provide the highest definition print media in a variety of applications, including photo panels, tabletops, MDF photo panels, natural wood prints, and more. While Cremeluxe is highly regarded as a medium for fine art printing, there are plenty of uses for Cremeluxe in commercial spaces such as retail stores, restaurants, schools, and even hospitals, where the need for bacteria-resistant and easy-to-clean surfaces is now more important than ever. In fact, both Cremeluxe and the Unisub brand of products are easy to clean and resistant to harsh cleaning chemicals.
In the commercial market, Cremeluxe has been great for hospitals and health services. The Cremeluxe panel, you don't have to worry about damaging an expensive or valuable work of art. It's very easy to use any type of cleaner, whether it's Windex, Lysol, isopropyl alcohol, denatured alcohol. Any non-abrasive household cleaner can be used to clean Cremeluxe and Unisub products.
How do we do it? Well, the Cremeluxe coating is cross-linked so that the pores in the coating actually close when sublimated, making the surfaces of products extremely easy to sanitize. Our proprietary coatings utilized on all Cremeluxe and Unisub products provide a surface that is resistant to all forms of chemicals, bacteria, contaminants, and pathogens. The coating can be cleaned with any non-abrasive commercial cleaner. At Universal Woods, we don't just create and sell products. Your satisfaction is important to us, which is why we offer plenty of educational and inspirational resources to help you sublimate our products and find markets to promote and sell your prints. For instance, StartToSublimate.com is a free site we developed where we introduce you to the basics of sublimation, give you tips on starting your own sublimation business, and even let you learn from some of the most successful artists and businesses now using Cremeluxe and Unisub brands to propel their sales.
StartToSublimate.com. It is a great free resource. There's not only how-to information, there's also tip videos, as well as approximate times and temperatures in order to get customers started out.
StartToSublimate.com is full of information on time, temperature, and pressure settings to press both Unisub and Chromaluxe blanks. You can also find information about which presses, printers, and inks ensure you get the best quality prints right off the press the first time. StartToSublimate.com is easy to use and a free resource that you can go back to time and time again. At Unisub.com, you will find templates for each of our wonderful products and high-resolution free product photos which you can save and use to promote your own products and services online. We post new products on Unisub.com as they are released. And there are plenty of webinars and market videos you can access to help you grow your business. Our Unisub product catalog is available online as well. Inside, you will find valuable information and reports on the things we're seeing in the ever-changing marketplace that reflect industry and customer trends. You can download and view these reports to inspire you when you are looking for the right artwork and commonly observed themes for the quality products you make and sell. You can visit Unisub.com and Cremeluxe.com to sign up for our digital newsletter, to find imagery for product ideas, social links, and so much more. All of the free resources you'll find on StartToSublimate.com, Chromaluxe.com, and Unisub.com are certainly essential to our goal of continued customer satisfaction. But we don't stop there. We recently launched Free Graphic Fridays, where every Friday we launch a high-resolution graphic that can be downloaded and printed at absolutely no cost.
Here at Universal Woods, we're all about continuous improvement, creating new products, and just spurring overall creativity. Free Graphic Fridays was just another tactic that we can use to help get people excited, spur that creativity, and we would love to see what you all are up to at home.
With every graphic, you can change colors, add elements, and more for use on the products you sell. To sign up, please visit unisub.com/freebie-Fridays. Unisub has also just launched 6 new ornaments and 5 new magnets. The new ornaments are even available in 2-sided white gloss aluminum and in 2-sided hardboard. Because the hardboard ornaments can sometimes be hard to press, we've also developed a jig that can be used specifically for each set. We have also just introduced 5 new semi-gloss aluminum magnets in fun new shapes. This coming week, we have a webinar about the wedding market and some ideas and products you can use for your growing business. Be sure to visit us online to register. If you haven't done so already, you need to look into Sawgrass's amazing Go Exchange e-commerce platform, where you can sell your own designs and have them fulfilled by other sublimators. Or you can sell your items yourself with an easy-to-set-up and use e-commerce shop. Check out sawgrassinc.com, where you will find plenty of videos and education resources on how to get up and running. There's even a handy tool that allows you to see how much profit you can make with this system if someone else makes the products with your art and ships on your behalf due to their proximity to the customer. Everyone at Universal Woods and our Cremeluxe and Unisub brands would like to thank you for watching today. We wish we could meet all of you in person, but until that happens, please be sure to follow us on social media and to sign up for our informative e-newsletters. Thanks again, and now, go make great products with Chromaluxe and Unisub from your partners at Universal Woods.